Hello everyone, I'd like to congratulate you on embarking on your journey to complete your Masters of Science in Instructional Design and Technology. The Instructional Analysis 1 course is the first step in this journey, and I'm excited to be your professor and facilitator. My name is Dr. Elizabeth Forgione, but you can call me Dr. E. In this course, we will jump right into the instructional design process by conducting a front-end analysis. The first step will be to identify a problem that can be solved with an instructional intervention. Think about your current setting. Is there a problem that your company or institution is facing that an instructional intervention can resolve? For example, is there a performance gap in a call center? Or an underutilization of a technology resource that could increase performance? This could be in a corporate or education setting. It is important to select a problem that is meaningful and important for you, and that can be solved with an instructional intervention. Not only will we be working on this topic in this course, as you move into Instructional Analysis 2, you will take the front-end analysis and build the development plan using the same topic. Throughout this course, we will continue the front-end analysis by gathering data to inform the intervention, identifying and describing a target audience and learning setting, and providing an overview of tasks, instruction, and content that will be associated with the proposed solution to the problem or need. Aside from the instructional design process, we will explore social media to create a professional learning network. While many of us use social media every day, often we overlook the value of these same or similar tools have on our careers and ability to network and grow professionally. A few technical things I'd like to point out. One is that the Ashford Cafe is linked within the Modules tab on the left navigation. My intent is to post additional resources within the Ashford Cafe throughout the course. And all this to be a growing body of resources. Please check it out periodically throughout the course. We can discuss within that thread or start new class discussions within the cafe. This is also a great place to have off-topic discussions with your classmates. In the past, discussions have been about dogs, resumes, and even moonshine. Other ways to ask questions or have an on-topic discussion include responding to an announcement. When you go to the announcement, you can simply hit reply. You will see the reply at the bottom of the announcement. And type your message just as you would within the discussion forum. You can also ask questions or comment on assignment feedback. This will email me privately and allow us to discuss any possible questions and concerns one-on-one. Finally, you can email me privately. Email is most easily accomplished by using the inbox tool on the left navigation within Canvas, but you can also save my email address. Each week, I will provide an introduction for the week in the announcements. There is thorough instructor guidance within each module, as well as required and recommended readings. We will complete one discussion and one assignment for each week. The initial discussion is due each Thursday, with responses to be completed on Monday. The assignment will be due each Monday. To get started, become familiar with the details of the course. You should begin with the large green button that says Start Here. This will take you through a checklist of materials to ensure you are adequately familiar with the expectations. When you feel you have adequately reviewed the course material, please take some time to review the additional announcement as it contains details regarding additional course expectations. Before I bring this to a close, I do want to share with you again how very excited I am to be the facilitator of this course and to be part of your educational journey. I see my job as a facilitator of learning. I am passionate about helping you reach your goals, so you can expect that I will provide you thorough and meaningful feedback on all assignments. Respond to emails within 24 to 48 hours, and that I will be available for discussions should you wish to brainstorm ideas. For some specifics about me, take a few minutes to review my profile, as this contains information about my background, how to contact me, and some fun facts about my hobbies. I sincerely look forward to the upcoming 6 weeks and assisting you in your educational journey in any and every way I possibly can. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. Alrighty, I should stop and let you get started with your exploration of the course itself.